Dear community, welcome. I'm happy to see all of you here. We start our masterclass. Today's topic, breakout trading strategy. I spent several years to gather data together. Honestly, first time I traded it in 2019, and it took many years to create a clear playbook in what cases we can trade it, in what cases it's better to avoid, and also we'll cover trading strategy will help you reduce your amount of stress and understand market better and be confident and be happy and wealthy. At this moment, from 1 to 10 rate audio quality. Remind to you that maybe you will watch this video as a record. Highly advise you to watch this video till then, because techniques that I will share with you, they will be useful even within several years and months. Good, I see 10. Friends, also I ask all of you to push like. We spent many months, years to gather data, to find strategy, to put together all the information, and I ask all of you to support me with your like, because in that case YouTube will show this video to more people. I would be really thankful. We create a lot of content for you. Okay, I see that the audio is good. Before we start, I have only one question. Share please where at this moment you are, and from what part of the planet you're watching us, from which city particularly. For example, I'm from Lviv, Ukraine. Share with me if you are where you're from. For me, it's really interesting. Okay, let me start. Let me open presentation while you're writing, and I think we can start. Belgium, awesome. Let's start presentation. Frankivsk UA, Philippines, Lviv, Tel Aviv, good. I'm from Bangladesh, Dhaka, UAE, awesome. I see we have Europe, and we have a lot of people from my country, Hong Kong. We have Asia, awesome, good. I think we can start, because those who want it, they're already here. Before we start sharing with you clear strategy and clear examples how to take a trade, first, let me remind you reasons why do you need a trading strategy. Many of you have psychological problems. You can fear to open a trade. You fear when you go to bed, you open your phone and you only analyze, oh my God, what's going on with your trade. How many of you had any time problems with setting stop losses, opening positions, caring that trade maybe would go against you? Write plus into the chat if you ever felt it, if it was part of you. If you ever experience it. Honestly, I experienced it many times, and the main reason why I experienced it, because when you don't know what you are looking for, when you don't have a clear strategy, when you don't have clear rules where to take trades, set stop losses, take profit, nothing would help you. You always will have problems with psychology and all of this stuff. This stuff only reduced when I finally found good places where we can take a trades. And today I will share with you one of my strategy. It is breakout. I have three major strategy. It is a traps, liquidation, and breakout from accumulation. And today I will cover one of this. When you confident, you don't scare. You scare because you don't know, will your pattern played out? Will price reverse when you enter or not? That's a reason why you will have emotional problems. To reduce it, create a clear strategy. What strategy should consist, before I will share with you clear examples of my strategy, what strategy should consist? Your strategy first should consist from market structure. What is a market structure? For example, if you see that we are in a downtrend, and in a downtrend, for example, you're looking only for long trades, in best case scenario, you will have only small wins in best case scenario. But if you go against trend, against market structure, chances to be successful is really small. That's why first from which your strategy must consist, it is a market structure. How many of you understand what's market structure? From 1 to 10 rate, maybe we will do another lesson for you. That means market structure, it is your top. It is market structure. After market structure, you need to find key areas. Because in some cases, for example, price, like we have beautiful downtrend, but price create a local range. And sometimes you can try to take a trade in the middle of that range, at low of that range, but it is not the best area to take a trade. That means after market structure, you need a key zone where you would like to take a trade. Let me show to you an example. It is on BTC. Let me show to you this example that had happened with BTC. It was exactly here. I hope all of you follow me on Telegram. It was exactly here where I shared with you example of market structure, key zone, and there also a third part. I will show it to you. Example on BTC, I shared this plan. Why I showed to you this example? Because it is a public plan. It is not what I just created on a history statistic. What I saw that Bitcoin were in beautiful uptrend. Nearly every stop ended with continue of BTC. It is bullish market structure. That means trades, even in our community, quite a lot of people saw opportunities against those trend. And we discussed many times that you take trade against a trend. If you do it consciously. Do not set big target. Use not big stop loss, because that's only one way how you can succeed when you take trade against a trend. That's why market structure number one. Number two, as I shared with you, key zone. Why I shared with BTC this key zone? By the way, my friends, every BTC update I share in our public Telegram, it is 100% free. Right now, I sent to you link into description. Right now, for all of you, highly advise you to follow me. Also, there would be link in the description to this masterclass where you will get access to our public Telegram. Highly advise you to follow because you will get all updates in the future. Let's continue. Example for you, a key zone. What was a key zone for me? It is value area low. It is example for you. I sent a screenshot. You can see it is a value. I hope every one of you understand what's value. Write plus. If you don't know, write minus. Value, it is in volume profile. It is a place where most of volume traded. And statistically, if you understand that you are in a bullish cycle, the key zone, the greatest area to consider a trade, it's everything below value area low. It is your golden area to take a trade for continue. Because only in that case, your stop loss would be pretty small, because like in this case, stop loss would be pretty small, and potential reward in many times bigger. That's what we need when we do trading. We need key zones where possibility to make money would be big. And if we make money in many times more. Only in that case, you will be successful long term. That's why once more, market structure, key zone, and after that, local confirmation. I must be honest with you. I waited for a trade, for a pattern on BTC, but good opportunity was only at 3 a.m. my time. And honestly, I didn't take this trade, but some of our students did it. Okay, we have like first part, market structure, key zone, and after that entry point. And let's discuss with you about entry point. Because when we trade breakout from value, first you need to see a clear, beautiful value. It is exactly this one on volume profile. It is this stuff. It shows to you where biggest volume traded, and often you can see price moves around it, but sooner or later there is a breakout. And when you understand that that breakout is up, where is better to take a trade? Above or below value area low? Yeah, we are going to entry exit point. We are right now entering entry and exit point. We will cover it. Let me remind to you before I show you clear entry exit points that at this moment you can get access to our Telegram for free. Exactly in the description to every video you will get this link. Highly advise you because nearly every BTC update that I share publicly, we share on Telegram, and you won't miss it. And you at this moment can see like this plan, useful video lessons, educational tutorials, a lot of stuff that will be really important for you in the future. This update where I shared about BTC rise. A few days before I shared when BTC was at 62 that we are going into 64 key zone. That's why you must be there because you pay no money for it, and like it would be not wise for you if you miss it. Okay, when you understood about key zones, when you understood about market structure, key zones, and entry points, let's discuss some entry points that we took with our community, because why I like to share with you examples that we took with our community, because it is not a stuff that we just that I open a history and you analyze it based on a history. Beautiful trade, it was on Solana. It was on Solana that I took. Let me show to you. It is. It was exactly here on previous Friday. Let me show to you that Solana trade, and we will cover example, real trade, real money example. I took a trade as a breakout from this local accumulation, but pay attention. I didn't take a trade in the middle. I took a trade exactly at top, because what was the reasons why I took a trade? First, market structure. Price did so big move, nearly 20% without any pullback. Those of you who analyze Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you often see they do not move like only in one direction. They always move like up, pullback, up, pullback, up, range, trend changed. Like it calls a market structure. And when you understand this market structure, you can understand key areas where potentially could be these shifts, because you need to trade in a places where it is predictable to make money, because you do not need to trade where you cannot predict that your chance for win is big. Have a look. Big rise without any decent pullback. After that, price entered this high and massive volume appeared. After that, price started ranging. It is market structure shift. And here we had local key zone and local confirmation for entry. It is a trap traders. For me, it's just the best signal to confirm my entry. And because of that, I took entry as a breakdown from this local value. Market structure, price did big rise. Key zone, it is local value area that built it here. And confirmation of entry, it was a trap bias that statistically price go against them to take their stop losses. When you have this rule of three, market structure, key zone, chances that you will be successful really big. Because, let me give water. Let me take water. Beautiful water. Here, pay attention. Big rise of open interest exactly into a high with aggressive delta. That's a signal that someone big get trapped there. And just by logic, ask yourself, would market maker buy Solana after 20% move? Is it wise for them? Or it is some dumb retailers that price would go against them to liquidate them? Your thoughts. Share with me your thoughts. I would like to speak with you. That's why about Eddie, you ask about entry point. Confirmation of entry, it is trap traders or liquidation. I will show both of them, how to take breakout entry with both of them. This one just the best confirmation. Okay. And I hope all of you noticed that the price of Solana dropped after until this drop in open interest and this big negative delta. That means quite a lot of people that were that bought here, they got liquidated exactly into a bottom. How you can how exactly we enter a position on Solana? When I understand that here, when I understood that here they trapped positions, I simply waited for local range, and when local range built it at value or high of that range, I set limit sell order. And that was exactly a signal that I shared with our community. It was Solana. When local value built it, I sent the signal at local value or high. Is it more common that price will rise to get more buyers to be liquidated later? Yes. You need to understand that in the end, all markets is about accumulation and distribution. All the markets, major goal of a market, it is market maker build a position. After that, market maker initiate a trend. Market maker continues a trend until culmination. It is if market maker bought here, they would like to sell here. They create a range, or they create additionally after that they create additionally big range before go on, or they use that range as a opportunity to reverse and build position for short. And it is endless process forever. Nearly every market is built for this. And it is a global scale, but on a smaller scale, when market maker build a position, it could be 1 week range. Like at this moment on Bitcoin that I shared in our public Telegram channel, it was obviously that someone were building a position on Bitcoin, and I waited here for this key zone to be taken, but sadly that key zone wasn't taken. When price in a range for 1 week, it's clearly that market makers build a position. It's like, imagine, let me compare market maker to a petrol station. Imagine that you need to go, for example, from London to Paris. Imagine there is a bridge and you can go by car. You need some amount of petrol to go to that place. For example, you need 50 liters. If you don't have this 50 liters, you would stop in the middle, and maybe you will have problems because it is exactly on a bridge, and you won't be successful. You need to go until the end. And in that case, if you drive a car, your petrol, it is gasoline. But for market maker, if market maker would like to move price up and they build long position, there always must be other side. There always must be some trap traders that they use as opportunity to absorb their positions. It's like even easier. If someone would like to buy 1 Bitcoin, that person must buy it from someone. You cannot buy Bitcoin from air, from nothing. You're not a god that you can create everything from nothing. That means there always must be other side of a trade, always, on a spot market, on a futures market. And market maker use ranges as an opportunity to build a position. Is it a requirement to have a local range to take a trade? No, there also could be opportunity to take a trade without local range, but with local range, you will have better chances for success. Plus, you will have better key zone. I can show to you situations where you can take trade without it, but it's difficult. You need experience. What's the time range on the chart and how do you decide? I shared with you how you decide, because how you decide, you understand that there is a market structure, that price move in a waves. You understand that with bigger chance, second wave is over. You wait here for some trap traders, price change structure. You have local key zone as a value area high, confirmation. Those that were trapped at high, they are still in. And simply at that value area high, you take a trade against them. That's your confirmation. But you need to know what you're looking for. If you don't know what's market structure, what's traps, who will help you? Okay, let me show to you another example. It was this Ethereum trade that I shared here. It was Ethereum signal that I gave more than a week ago when Ethereum was at 2,275. What was the reason behind this trend, behind this trade? Let me show to you. I will, at this moment, I will reply to you according timeframes. Just give me a few. On this example, I will reply to you. What was the reason behind here, behind Ethereum, why I shared that plan and shared to take a trade? First, it is market structure. We always first check market structure. Where Ethereum was at that time. Ethereum was at significant value area low after big drop. Statistically, price stop after that. Plus, additionally, we had massive liquidation here on Ethereum, and we had massive liquidation here on Ethereum. And if you can see, it was exactly value area low of this entire range. Market structure I analyze on 4-hour time frame, because as bigger is better. Friends, if you feel that what I share with you, it is really useful, I ask you to push like to support us and write any comment, because YouTube will move it to more people. I'm really grateful for you that you are with me. That's why once more, market structure. Price after significant liquidation, key zone, value area low. And what was confirmation of entry here? Confirmation was trap traders. When price reached this area, someone started absorbing massive volume. Someone started absorbing massive volume. And you have once more rule of three. Market structure, key zone, and local confirmation for your entry. It is absorption. And in that case, your chance for success would be big. In some cases, you will have really big wins, because if price would move in your favor, you can make significant profit. Like from that place, you can see at this moment, Ethereum did 17% rise without any decent pullback. And I think it is not over. I think minimum Ethereum would take this high. And yes, of course, if you open smaller time frame, 5-minute time frame, and you try to take a trade in the middle of this range, yeah, price take quite a lot of your stop losses, because what do you plan to take here? There is no advantage on your side. You must trade only when you have advantage. Compare trading to fighting. Compare trading to fighting. Would you like to go and fight with a guy that would definitely beat you? Let's be honest. Let's discuss it. Just tell me, please. Would you reply, please. Would you fight against a guy that would beat you with like 90% chance? Of course not. And when you trade in the middle of this range, you are fighting a guy that with bigger chance would beat you. You must know what's market structure is on your side. You must know what key zone is on your side. If you don't know it, you need someone who would help you because, man, it would be difficult. And you need to, I think you understand that each your trade, it is the money that you put. And it is not like you can test as much as you want. You must put real money to fill it, to test it. That's why you need market structure, key zone, and key and confirmation for entry. When you have this power of three, everything would be good. Okay, let's cover some other examples. It was let's cover some other example. Popcorn now. So it was few seconds. I know that quite a lot of you would like to trade inside. I know that quite a lot of you would like to trade inside. Okay, a few seconds, my friends. Friends, at this moment, just give me a few seconds. I would like to tell you that at this moment, you can get access to our private traders club where I share free signals with clear stop loss take profits. On daily basis, I share trading plans where you can take a trade. I explain to you what to do. Plus, we do quite a lot of master classes. Many of them are closed. For example, other type of strategies we do within a week, we will cover only with our community members. Another masterclass was 1 week ago. Only once per month we do publicly. What you at this moment, as I shared with you, you can get access to our community by only opening account on Bybit Exchange as our partner. Because you need to, every successful trader need to become profitable at us terminal where to see order flow, statistics service, and reliable exchange. Main reason why we use with Bybit because it is the biggest, second biggest with connection to all tools that we need, with lower fees, regulated, you have no problems. Bybit has everything that you need to work properly. That's why what you need to do, open account by using our referral link, complete verification process, and deposit at least 100 USD and trade on that exchange. Option number two, if you already have account, you can move that account and become our partner. What to do? In the description here, get access. What you do, you open this one. It would be in beautiful Telegram bot. You don't share any private data. You simply open this Telegram, you press start, and after that you get all information and you can speak with my team. Once more, for you it would cost no additional fees, but for you, you will get support with my team, how to set up ATAS, set up OrderFlow platforms, signals, trading plans, working in our community. I think it's worth enough. Plus, for those of you that don't want to if you don't want to work with Bybit, you can buy it, but still open bot and write to us. Let's go to other examples. Let's go to other examples. This gentleman, can you kindly explain absorption and volume delta for how to confirm key zone for entry, please, please? Absorption. Let me show to you it. We discussed, by the way, this on our masterclass in our Discord. I sent it to our community as this example. Okay, let me show it to you also. It was maybe the greatest example of absorption that I ever saw. It was before Ethereum ETF approval. It was a trade that we took before Ethereum ETF approval, before this massive pump. Here I did a mistake. I set too small stop loss, but still idea maybe the greatest that I ever saw. Since that moment, Ethereum rose by 37%. And what was the best confirmation of long entry there? The best confirmation was there. Here you have big negative delta, rise of open interest, and price, instead of continue downtrend, start making sideways. That's a signal of absorption. Okay, maybe once it is a coincidence, it's not serious. But second time, have a look again. Aggressive delta, big open interest, absorption, no result. Okay, maybe 2 times it's not serious. 3rd time, 4th time, and after that, to the moon. Tom G asked a question: can I move my existing Bybit account under your referral for Discord VIP access? Yes, you can move it. What you do, as every person, you go to stream. Where is it? You open stream link. Here in the description, you get access to this bot. You open that bot, you start it, and when you start it, you write that like Fox, I have account, how to move it. And my team will reply to you when they can. Remember, friends, when you start a bot, no one will get access to you. Even our team do not have access to your ID. It's fully confident. We use special tools that no one would know about you. Entertainment desk. Is that example good enough for you or not? Because you didn't reply. Where is it? Trade? Is it good enough or not? Absorption, there must be together both open interest, delta, open interest, both, and increased volume. All of them together. Plus, absorption should be in some area, because if price, for example, move, difference between levels could be 5-10%. It's not good. It's not good absorption. Difference between those levels should be around percent, something like that. Only in that case, you can call it clear absorption. Plus, absorption must be in a proper key zone. Still, what I share with you, market structure, key zone, absorption, it is a confirmation of entry. As I shared with you again, this stuff, market structure, key zone, it is exactly value area low of this entire range. It is a key zone. Here, it is a priority for you to take a trade for a long, because chances for success huge. And if you would be successful, risk to reward ratio just the greatest. You would never find a better risk to reward ratio than here. Because in that case, if you are successful, your stop loss could be 1, 2, maximum 3%. But your potential reward, minimum to take high of this range. Even in that case, it is how much in percent? Maybe 10%, 15%, but still it's a lot. 14% to next key zone. they would not take it every time. They would not give you massive rise, because even here, like this local value area high, they did only this drop. It was maybe 10 or 15%, 10%, 11%. Sometimes there would be no such big move. It's okay to understand it. Okay. Tom G, you must close your trades. Friends, it's not a big deal. I think better to write to Bybit. They will help to do it. Okay, it was a good example. DOT didn't break structure, need to daily close above 650. Honestly, I didn't trade DOT for really big period of time, because you need to understand one important problem of altcoins. Friends, what one big problem with crypto and altcoins? Many altcoins, they have really small volume. And when you trade coins with small volume, you trade against market maker. That's really bad, because you need to trade against a crowd, a lot of people. Because in that case, market maker will do less manipulation, and those manipulation will cost a lot of money. Because example for you, at this moment on BTC, let's open Bitcoin, just as an example for you. Bitcoin current volume on BTC, 45 billions during last 24 hours. Do you know how much it cost to move it at least few percent? It costs a lot of money. But imagine some other KT, 400 millions. Just feel the difference between 400 and 40 billions. How much money it required to move that instrument at least few percent. That's why, honestly, I love to trade only coins, top coins with at least nearly billion. That's my priority. I do not like coins where volume is smaller, because I do. My approach is, honestly, they work less if coin has below 500 millions, because that must be big money. Other key zones at open interest charts. Open interest, better than open interest at key zones. Okay, let me show to you another example how altogether you can get all that stuff that you need. It is not coin was. Okay, let me show to you a few more examples. Let me show to you one more example of it. What is delta and how can we put open interest on a candle bars? We use special tool, and we help our students and we help our community members to set up those platforms. We show our community members with free tools that you can use to see open interest and delta. And as I shared with you, at this moment, you have opportunity to join our community by simply opening account on Bybit and trade there. Just open stream, fill this form, and after that, my team will help you with Delta, with platforms, all that stuff that you need. Plus, remind to you that if you already have Bybit account, you can move that account and become our partner. And for you, it would cost no additional fees. You would pay no additional penny for that stuff. Bybit simply will share a small part of their fees with us. For you, it would be no change. But you will gain access to our community, support, tutorials, access to platforms where you can see all the data. It's like best offer that you would ever get on this market. Let me show to you one more powerful example. Let me show to you one more powerful example of market structure, key zone, and okay, market structure, key zone. It was a beautiful. Bybit not operating in India, my bad luck. My friend, you can, in that case, you can buy access to our community. In that case, you simply can buy it. Okay. It was exactly this beautiful example, this one. Another example for you, when you have beautiful market structure, key zone, and local confirmation. When we have that power of three, it was exactly here. I shared trading plan also with our community on BTC. And what was there, it was exactly this situation. Let me reply to you. Here, let's open 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin bounced and started up cycle. After Bitcoin did beautiful market structure, as you can see, Bitcoin did rise, stopped, continue, stop into a range, and often price. When you have a trend, often you will see something like this. And when price take low of such ranges, honestly, it is the best places where you can take a trade. You can take a trade for continue. And here we had additional confirmation as anchored weave up from its bottom because it confirms structure. Plus, pay attention, it is a key zone. And what was the confirmation here? Local confirmation was absorption in open interest. There was significant volume rise, absorption exactly here, and it was a reason why we took a trade with this beautiful rise. Let me show to you that BTC trade. Honestly, I could keep the trade until today. Sometimes you need to keep your trades way longer. Let me show to you the trade. Oh, it was exactly this one. This beautiful trade, I took long at 55,800. Not big profit, only 3.6%. Have a look. And we could keep the trade until today. It would be 17%. Stop loss there was only 1%. Once more, market structure, price started uptrend, price started creating a range, low of that range, below value area low key zone, open interest absorption as a confirmation for a trend continue. Yes, in this case, I did mistake because I took only small profit, but you can see that BTC did big one. But you must be realistic. Sometimes you would never know how far they could go because in some cases they could do rise after that deeper pullback. It's okay to sometimes to close a trade. And local confirmation, this beautiful delta, big rise in open interest, and price did exactly nothing. Price stopped into a range, beautiful absorption. That's what you need to take a trade for continue. How to know where to put. For how long I get access to your community when I register under your referral? If you would trade there on your account, you will get access until you trade on Bybit. If my team check all referral, if you simply open account and don't trade there, we will delete you maybe within 1-2 weeks. Until you trade, you have access. But you have to close your position before migration, as I understood. Ask Bybit. I think they will help you with that question. It's not a big deal. You ask Bybit, wait until you close position. After that, move it. It's not something that it is not impossible. Once more, friends, summarize to you all of this stuff together. To take really beautiful, successful trade, To take beautiful, successful trade, you need beautiful understanding of market structure. Market structure, it is how price move on a bigger time frame. Use 4-hour chart to understand market structure. After, on that market structure, you need to know what is the key zones. It is areas where you will look for a trade. After, you wait for a confirmation. As I shared with you, absorption, there also could be another confirmation as traps or stop loss hunts. Because market structure can be, for example, as uptrend, also there could be a range market structure. And you need to know how to work in these different environments. At this moment, you can ask a questions. I will reply to 5 of your questions, and we will stop this masterclass. Once more, I remind to you to follow me on Telegram. It is 100% for free. You pay no money for that. In the description to this stream, you have this. Follow me on Telegram. I share my my BTC updates, video lessons, masterclass invitation for free here, and you won't miss any updates. Platform tutorials, BTC updates. BTC at this moment did, since this plan, 6% rise. You will get, I do not share here a lot of posts. As you can see, sometimes only one message that I drop update for you for free. Just watch to know what to do. You must be there. And if you want to get signals from me with clear stop losses, with clear trading plans on daily basis where I share with you where to take trade, you join community, and at this moment you have best offer. You join it without paying, only by opening an account on Bybit or removing your existing. If you cannot do it, you can buy, but still open that bot and drop a message. That means we are trading against a trend. Why against a trend? You can take trades into trend direction and also against it. If you have, if you understand, like at this moment on BTC, I waited here to take long, but entry was at 4 a.m. It was into trend direction. I waited here to take a trade. But sometimes you won't be able to take it. Like the same with Ethereum, I waited for a key zone to take long, but you can see that Ethereum didn't give me entry point at key area. If I didn't get this entry, what I do? I wait for another one. Solana also, I thought there would be bigger stop loss hunt here, and after that I would take long for a continue of a trend, but that didn't happen. Is it advisable to trade to take trades in 15-minute time frame? It is possible, but you need to know in what market structure it is good. You can take trades when, especially BTC, on in a range. When BTC in a range, you can use when you understand, for example, BTC started ranging, and you understand that your key zone here, your another key zone is here. And in those key zones, you can use 15-minute time frame to take trades. But if you open something like this without understanding, like you drop inside here, you wait for something, in that case, it would be chances to be successful really small. Do you trade XRP? Rarely, only when really powerful patterns are. How do you identify value areas? By using volume profile, fixed range volume profile, and by using key levels that shifted, changed trend. For example, trend did reversal. It is a key zone. Composite volume profile, value area low, value area high. I can recommend this. I learned a lot in the Bigger Trading channel. Thomas, thank you. I'm happy to see it. Do you use trailing stop? Honestly, Tom, I don't use it, but that's the stuff that I am learning at this moment. I don't use it. Okay. Friends, it was happy to see all of you here. Remember once more, rule of three, market structure, key zone, and can you use USDT from key? Yes, we can use USDT. Yes. Market structure, key zone, and local confirmation. If you will use this power of three, you will be successful. You can rewatch this masterclass. We shared several examples on different time frames and different period of the market where you can put all of this stuff together. I need to go. Have a good time.